गुड मॉर्निंग एंड गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल। नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल सबको। आज हम यहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं लीडरशिप ट्रेनिंग के लिए, प्रोग्राम के लिए। ओके, तो हर एक सॉरी आई नीड टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश। हाय, दिस इज वैभव।
English, please.
यस, हाय, दिस इज वैभव वेटकर फ्रॉम मुंबई, इंडिया। टुडे वी आर मीटिंग हियर for the leadership training program, and everyone has take out the time to gather here for learning. So keep your mind open like a parachute works when it is open, right? So keep your mind open and empty your mind, empty your cup, so that new learning you can learn new things here. Okay, so I'm not the host, I'm the host, I'm not the presenter for the day. I am the host. My name is Vaibhav. My sponsor is Mr. Ganesh Navanandi, and today's presenter is someone who is man of gem. Actually, I met this person just 3 weeks before in India, and I spent 4 days with him, and he's man of gem. He's actually genuine person. He's basically from India, Delhi. Then he shifted to Dubai from last 6 years. He is working from Dubai only. He's having experience in sales background only. So now he is the pioneer. He is the pioneer of Maghayu team. We call him 001, and he has a vision to touch millions of till 2027. So he is none other than my upline, my mentor, my guide, my well-wisher, Mr. Anand Bharti. Anand Bharti, over to you.
Thank you very much. Good more earning. नमस्कार सबको। क्योंकि आज के जूम मीटिंग में, टुडे जूम मीटिंग वी हैव पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द प्लेस। हर एक जगह से लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया है। और बिफोर आई स्टार्ट एनीथिंग एल्स, मैं सबसे पहले ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आई बेट यू वन थिंग, एक चीज़ की मैं श्योरिटी दे रहा हूँ कि अगले 30 मिनट्स में जो हमारा ये एक शॉर्ट एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम जो होने जा रहा है, आप इसमें से बहुत सारी चीज़ें नोट कर सकते हैं, लेके जा सकते हैं। यू कैन नोट डाउन मेनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम टुडेज ट्रेनिंग, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इफ़ यू इम्प्लीमेंट जस्ट 10% ऑफ दिस, ओनली 10% भी अगर इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ, अगर आपने इस ट्रेनिंग का इस्तेमाल किया अपने ऊपर, तो आपको ट्रेमेंडस रिजल्ट देखने को मिलेगा। और एंड ऑफ द ट्रेनिंग में आपको बहुत ही खुशी होगी कि आपने यू बी रियली हैप्पी दैट यू prioritize your time to attend this training program. So this is something like very, very powerful. Like we all know that one of the richest man in the world, Warren Buffett, says that the biggest and the most important investment ever you can make in your life is on yourself. हम खुद के ऊपर जो इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं, उस इन्वेस्टमेंट का कंपैरिजन किसी और इन्वेस्टमेंट से नहीं कर सकते। इट्स वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट एवर वन कैन मेक। यहाँ से नीचे का ऊपर हम खूब we invest lot of money, lot of time to take care of the bottom part of the body, like below the neck. अपने गर्दन के नीचे का हिस्से का पूरा ख्याल रखने का हम पूरा पैसा खर्चते हैं। We spend lot of money to take care of this bottom part of the body, but the powerhouse को हम भूल जाते हैं। We never invest on this powerhouse, and trust me, it's the powerhouse which is actually driving you, which you may call अरे ये मेरा luck है, this is my luck because of which I am here, और मेरा किस्मत में ये है। ये तो प्रैक्टिकली ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, प्रैक्टिकली सोचो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है, वैसा नहीं हो सकता है, बट ट्रस्ट में हर एक चीज हो सकता है। नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल। एवरी प्रॉब्लम कम्स विद अ पैकेज व्हिच इंक्लूड्स द सॉल्यूशन। हमें थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम का बाहर से हट के जब हम देखेंगे तो सॉल्यूशन इज राइट देयर। सॉल्यूशन है हर एक प्रॉब्लम का, वी जस्ट नीड टू लुक इट दैट वे। अगर हम उसको लेके बैठ जाएंगे, इट विल नॉट वर्क। So again, my name is Anand Bharti. Um, the way Vaibhav Bhai just introduced me, edified me with a lot of heavy words. It actually makes me feel that there is there's a lot of responsibilities coming up, and I have to be more stronger to take care of those responsibilities along with the Mag Hive leaders. So thank you so much, each and every one, for joining this training, and special thanks to the Mag Hive leaders for organizing this. I really want to say special thanks to Mr. Jovi, one of the strongest Mag Hive pillar, who takes all the initiative, time, and effort to make the posters float all over the place and organize the team. So we all love him because he does all these things selflessly. There is no nothing involved like in return, so he gets nothing additional in return, but he does a lot of things just because he want to help build this MagHive team, which is reinventing lives. So thank you so much again. Let's start with the training. 8:07. I'll try to wrap it up in 15 to 20 minutes. I will share my slides. um, all right, so here we go. So today's topic is gonna be, even though it's a leadership training program, in the leadership training program we're gonna talk about attitude. आज leadership training program है, और आज leadership training program में हम बात करेंगे attitude के बारे में. Attitude को if I'm not wrong हिंदी में नजरिया बोलते हैं. हर एक का अपना अपना नजरिया होता है, हर एक का अपना अपना attitude होता है चीजों को देखने के लिए, to look at things in a different way. Yeah. So a very solid example just to share with you is like just a second, I'm trying to view the videos. Okay, so very solid example of the attitude. एक attitude का, एक नजरिया का एक solid example देता हूँ मैं. You look at this bottle and there are two ways to look at this bottle. एक देखने का नजरिया ये है कि we can say that the bottle is half empty. The bottle is half empty. That's one way of looking at this bottle. ये एक तरीके से देखने का नजरिया है इस बॉटल को, जो कि सही है. इट्स राइट, बॉटल आधा खाली है, ये सही बात है. लेकिन दूसरे तरीके, एक दूसरा नजरिया भी है इसको देखने का. There is another way to look at this bottle with a different attitude. Is the bottle is half, it's filled. It's half filled with water. It's not half empty, it's half filled. Now, just imagine करो कौन सा वाला नजरिया से इस बोतल को देखने में अच्छा लग रहा है. क्या जब हम ये बोलते कि यार ये बोतल आधा खाली है, दिस बोतल इज हाफ एम्प्टी, डू यू फील गुड अबाउट सेइंग दैट दिस बोतल इज हाफ एम्प्टी, or do you feel good about saying that this bottle is half filled? Check yourself. तो अगर मैं अपनी बात करूं तो मुझे तो I feel good about saying that this bottle is half filled. This bottle is half filled. I feel saying this. I feel good about it when I say this. But when I say कि bottle
Mr. Anand जी स्टक हो गया. हेलो
Mr. Anand, you're froze. Hello.
shall I start?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so weaknesses of attitude becomes weakness of character. So you know, when we look at the example of वो bottle का example लेके, if we talk about the bottle का example, that's how our character is defined. Attitude is the ticket to success. It's not very easy to change our attitude or our mindset. It's not easy, but it's possible. Trust me, it's possible. ये हो सकता है. आसान नहीं है, हमारे एटीट्यूड, हमारे नजरिया को बदलना आसान नहीं है, लेकिन ये हो सकता है। क्यों हो सकता है? उसके लिए थोड़ा अपने खुद से वी हैव टू टेक द एफर्ट आउट ऑफ आवर सेल्फ, वी हैव टू पुश आवर सेल्फ लिटिल बिट to change our attitude, because we live in the world where everywhere the way of looking at things is negative. The way of looking at things is negative everywhere, all our surroundings, our workplace, our co-workers, the co-travelers, the place where through which we travel, metro bus se travel karte hain, everywhere there is a chaos. Like this is all you hear, which poisons our mind. कि यार जॉब चला गया, सैलरी नहीं है, सैलरी होल्ड पे चला गया, 2 महीने से पे आउट, पे नहीं है, पे कट हो गया, सैलरी इज कट डाउन, ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी हियर। ये जॉब का वी आई एम ऑन नोटिस पीरियड, आई एम गोइंग टू लूज माय जॉब. These are all poisonous things we hear, and that's the surrounding, that's the environment we are living in. So it's not easy to keep our attitude so strong and positive. But I'll give you one idea how to keep it. Listen to the positive audiobooks every single day. Every single day, listen to the positive audiobooks. And the best time to listen to these positive audiobooks is where, as soon as you wake up, the mind is fresh and it is so highly potential to grab the information at the first shot. Take advantage of that. So when you, as soon as you wake up, play the audiobook, go to the washroom, whatever time you spend in the washroom, play the audiobook there. You don't really have to take exclusive time and sit and listen to it, unlike previous days wherein you have to open a book and separately you have to sit for an hour and read the books. So you don't even have to do that, but through audiobooks you can make your day strong, and you will be able to handle all those things very easily. It's going to be easy. Next slide says transform. So uh, we have to change our attitude. We have to transform our attitude, through which we transform ourselves. The meaning of transform is permanent. So people, it's like what we understand, transform is not just a change. Transform is transform, where once the change has happened, it will never reverse back. So that's why transform is permanent, change is temporary. And now we have to go through this process of learning and listening to the audiobooks and associating ourselves with a positive attitude people every day. It's every day, because you're getting the poison every day, and if you make a gap, it will take you back. You make a gap, it will take you back. So don't do that. Keep yourself associated with this positive mental attitude books or people every single day. Do that for so many days, so many weeks, months and years, and see the transformation that is going to happen. Here we are into a business, so therefore we will talk little about the business. We will talk about little about entrepreneurship. Yeah, it's not a small business. If it was a small business, we will not talk about all these slides and trainings and meetings. We will say, hey, go to the shop and just sit there for 14 hours. If you don't make money in 14 hours, sit there for 16 hours. But here we are talking about a big business. So big business requires entrepreneurship mindset. So to be an entrepreneur, what kind of mindset we have to have is a growth mindset. A growth mindset. The fixed mindset will not work here. And not only here, even in your personal life, the fixed mindset will not work. Because what happens, one small example, when you fail into something, and if you have a fixed mindset, you will compromise and you will keep yourself there. You will never make another attempt. You will say, well, I have already tried, and it's a failure. If I do it, I have already failed. I've already tried. It's not going to work. So you make your mindset fixed, and you will never make another effort to do it. And that's how you spend all your life, compromising. Yeah. Um, but if you have a growth mindset with changing your attitude, then what happens? You fail, you do it again. You fail, you do it again. Because every time you fail, with your failure, you learn something, and then you don't repeat that mistake, you do it again. And then still if it doesn't happen, you find out what was the mistake you made, you eliminate that mistake and do it again. So you do it not 1 to 10 times or 100 times, you do it until you make it. That's the difference. You do it until you make it. So that's entrepreneur mindset, not with a fixed mindset. We make when we make certain plans, our plans are so smooth that we never put the challenges in our plan, that we may have to face these challenges, let me make self ready to handle them. We make our plans are most of the time they are very smooth, but actually when you take the first step and start moving, you check the below slide, below your plan, the reality is not the smoothness. Your plan may be smooth, but when you take the step and initiative and get into action, then you see the hurdles, then you see the ditches, then you see the obstacles, then you see the rejections, then you see the setbacks, then you see the people pushing you behind, then you see the people pulling you from behind. So these are there, these are the part of the process which may not be there in the plan, but please remember it is right there. Let's go to the next slide. Again, it's the growth mindset. In the growth mindset, you see the left side. When you have a fixed mindset and when you have like a not very strong and optimistic, this is what the statement or the self-talk happens. I am not good at this. I can't make this any better. I'll never be as smart as them. I'll, I don't get it. I don't understand this. Now the problem is if you don't understand this, it's okay. But if you're not willing to understand this, understand that, it's insane. It's insane. I gave up. Well, I already tried and it's not working out. I gave up. I made a mistake. This is too hard. Well, it's good enough. We compromise with little result. We make little and then we said, oh, it's okay. It's enough. I'm done. I don't need more. So we just satisfy ourselves just to make ourselves happy. That is where we kill ourselves. We just like a walking body, but there is no life. Life is all about unsatisfaction. There is no satisfaction. There should never be a satisfaction. You should be happy with what you have, what you achieve, but never be satisfied. Yeah. On the other side, we see the growth mindset. This is how the growth mindset, uh, the self-talk happens. I'll keep trying. I'll keep trying. Well, I tried, didn't work out. I'll keep trying. Mistakes help me improve. So I made a mistake. I find what was the mistake. I improve it. I make it better the next time. Is this really my best work? So we do the self-talk. Is this really the best way I did? No, I mean, I guess and this happens personally. I'll tell you, I'm talking about myself. See, I'm sharing this presentation. After this I watch my video to check and see where all corrections I can make, where are the area of opportunity that I can make it better. So is this really my best work? The answer is no, because there is always a room to make better. हमेशा जगह है और अच्छा करने के लिए, तो हमें सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो जाना है. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ स्पेस टू मेक इट बेटर. आई एम गोइंग टू फिगर आउट व्हाट दे डिड. या बोलते हैं कि आई मीन दे आर मच बेटर. आई मीन आई गेस आई कैन नॉट डू इट. सो figure it out. How did they do it? I'm going to ask for help. I'm going to train my brain to be better. And that is, we always forget, this is what we are doing. This is what we are doing now. We are here in the training our brain to be better. This may take some time and effort. Of course it will take some time and effort to make it. It's not going to be like a one shot. I can always improve. मैं हमेशा इंप्रूव कर सकता हूं. जैसे कि इंप्रूव करने के लिए तो हमेशा जगह है. परफेक्शन का पॉइंट कभी नहीं होगा. परफेक्शन विल नेवर बी देयर. हर हमेशा देयर इज ऑलवेज अ रूम, a space to improve for the better. Um, here we have Aspiration to become better. Willingness is an action. Willingness is an action. This is a process. In the process, since MagHive, we have started this training and MBMs almost every day. हर एक दिन हमारा ट्रेनिंग या मीटिंग होता है. कई बार बहुत सारे लोग, मेजोरिटी लोग क्या सोचते हैं, what people, majority people, they think, well, yesterday I attended the training, yesterday I attended the meeting, and I'm done. I know, I already learned it. So I don't have to attend it today. I don't have to attend it tomorrow. That's a problem. That's a big problem. That is going to keep you away from growing, because learning is constant. It's a continuous learning. It's never like I'm done. I've already learned. I know this. The day you say I know everything and I have learned this, I don't need to learn, you are finished. Please admit people. There are many people pending. So we have to go through continuous learning. Therefore, we thought, okay, let's create this learning academy called MagHive. Through this, we are going to reinvent lives all over the place, all over the countries, helping people learn and grow, not only in the business, but in their personal life also. So what happens when we go through the training? Here, there is something very important to emphasize on. You see, learning uh, brings or gives you knowledge, and when you get the knowledge, by default you get a confidence, and when you have a confidence, you just don't have to sit back. There are two things. One is a default and one is an action part. So the first action part you have to do is you have to attend all the trainings and meetings every time, until you come and say that, Vaibhav Bhai or Mrs. Steffi, I am ready to do the hosting, I am ready to do the training. Until then, you keep on attending them, so that one day you come up and you hold the marker and you say, Lalit Bhai, Ms. Steffi, I am going to take initiative to do the hosting and do the presentation. So keep on attending until then. All right. So learning is an action part. So to learn, what we do, we have to prioritize the time, attend the trainings and meetings, and we learn. So there we are putting action, the effort to learn it. And when we have learned, by default, the knowledge goes there. Because when we repeat again and again, subconscious is full of knowledge. So the knowledge is there. When the knowledge is there, your confidence is there. And when the confidence is there, don't sit back, because it's a waste. When the confidence is there, then you have to do the second thing, and that is put another effort to put an action. And when you put an action, result is by default. So there are three things by default, two things you have to do. Please check this out. Learning, you have to do. You have to put effort. Knowledge and confidence is going to be there by default. You will just get it. You don't have to do something extra to get the knowledge and confidence. You just have to learn. So when you put effort to learn, these two things you will get by default. And when you get these two things by default, please put action and implement on them. And when you implement on them, then the result is there by default. For result, you don't have to run anywhere. You don't have to do anything. Just put action on your learning part. You see, there are 5 things, but 2 things are yours, 3 things are by default. What else you want? It's not the 3 things you have to do, only 2 things. 3 things you get by default. So this is what happens when we go through this continuous learning. We have our systems trainings on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday there is a gap. We have a core team meeting. Thursday we have Hindi training program. We are just going to start from this Thursday. Friday we have, Saturday we have. What else you want? So let's move to the next slide. Stay on the system. This is how I always repeat the example. This is how the system works. When because you are going to your job, you are on somebody else's system. And because you are on somebody else's system, that somebody is making a lot of money because of you being on his system. आप उसके सिस्टम पे हो और वो बहुत सारा पैसा बना रहा है. इसीलिए what we have to do, we have to make our own system. We have to be on our system so that one day we will have a lot of people on our system and we will make a lot of money even when we are on a world tour. हम दुनिया का टूर कर रहे होंगे एंड स्टिल वी हम बहुत सारा पैसा बना रहे होंगे जब हमारा सिस्टम बिल्ड हो जाएगा. बट वी हैव टू स्टार्ट टुडे एंड नाउ. We cannot wait for tomorrow. You cannot become successful without realizing with aspiration that you need to be successful. Your words versus your action. Normally what happens sometimes when we go to the events, um, events, or we attend training, we see a lot of people in the training. We see a lot of people coming from different backgrounds, people growing from different backgrounds. We get motivated. हम लोग मोटिवेट हो जाते हैं जब बहुत सारे लोगों को देखते हैं तो. और उस मोटिवेशन में हम क्या बोलते हैं, अभी तो जाके फाड़ देंगे. I will go out of this room and I'm going to do left, right, center. I'm going to build this business. And when we come out of the room, and then somehow we keep on saying, and we try to do it for some times, and then gradually that fuel is over. वो तेल खत्म हो जाता है and हम लोग within a week हम लोग silent हो जाते हैं. So when we say something, it's very difficult to keep it. Does not mean that you don't say something. The best thing to say something is write it down. When we commit something, it's better to commit to ourselves by writing. So when we commit something by writing to ourselves, there is a higher possibility that we do it, we fulfill it. The action is there. So it's not only about talking. There are a lot of people, we can talk very well, we can talk a lot, but that action is very important, because when we put the action, the result is by default. Number never uh, um, number never speak wrong. Like 2 plus 2 is always 4. So it will never be 2 plus 2 3. 2 plus 2 is never 3. It's just 4. So there are certain numbers, when we fulfill those numbers, the result is right there. So the result speaks automatically. It may be a little bit delay sometimes, but it is definitely there. Yeah. Our attitude determines our altitude. Now, overall, what we think sometimes when we see people, हम लोग ये सोचते हैं कि ये बंदा बहुत knowledgeable है, he can talk well, he can talk very well, उसका presentation बहुत अच्छा है, his hosting is very good, presentation is very good, his knowledge is too much. But trust me, all this knowledge and skill is only 10%. 90% is attitude. 90% is attitude. The best example shown in this slide is through the iceberg. You see only 10%, the one you see is only the 10%. 90% is in the bottom. Only 10% reflects 90% right there. So when we see a successful person, now today we see that our diamond executives, we have diamond executives, Mr. Santosh Joseph, Mr. Robert Basumatari, Mr. Prakash Para. We see their success, and it's very attracting. It's like, wow, these people are super lucky. But trust me, the kind of burning coal they have walked through, when you see this, you will run away from there. That's how hot it is. They have been through a lot of disappointments, persistent hard work, huge risks, late night work, competition, discipline, courage, doubts, criticism, personal failures, adversities, lot of rejections, not rejections, lot of rejections, sacrifices. And then only after paying all these fees, you get one thing which is called success. So the people you see on the very top, they are the ones who have gone through maximum numbers of rejections, not you and me. We are going through it. We are going through it. But the people you see on the top, they have been through it. Lot of rejections. Lot of rejections. So I guess this is the last slide. I guess. No, there's one more. Break or make. Your attitude has the power to break you or to make you. Depends how you are using it. So the first example I showed you, the empty bottle and the filled bottle, that's the attitude. And that attitude will either make you or break you. हमारा नजरिया जो है देखने का, वो हमें तोड़ के गिरा सकता है या वो हमें बना सकता है. तो हमारे नजरिया को बेहतर करना और अच्छा करना इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे नजरिया को, हमारे एटीट्यूड को पॉजिटिव बनाना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मेक आवर एटीट्यूड पॉजिटिव, बिकॉज नो वन वांट्स टू गेट ब्रोकन डाउन. कोई भी टूटना नहीं चाहता है, सब लोग बनना चाहते हैं. एवरीबडी वांट्स टू बी बिल्ट, but to build we have to change our attitude and look things in a different way. So we have finished. Thank you for listening. Back to the host. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Anand bhai. Lots of learning from your session, from your presentation. I learned lot many things. First of all, first thing I learned is attitude is very important, very much important in this business. Our journey is like an aeroplane. Is like an aeroplane. When aeroplane takes off, the aeroplane struggle till it come out from the gravity. Then it becomes the smooth. Our journey is also like the same. We get rejections, negativity, and distractions, but we have to just overcome that. Our goal should be very crystal clear, and dream should be crystal clear. Then we can easily overcome it. Then journey will be super easy. So that is my major learning from this program. And thank you so much. Anyone is volunteer to conclude this meeting?
Hi,
Hello?
good morning.
Mr. Joel.
Steppy.
Steppy.
Unmute yourself please again.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you very much, Anand and Vaibhav. First of all, let me just give few highlights of Anand, because yes, we have been having sessions of trainings, but today it was something which was different. Maybe the things were the same, the points were related to what we had discussed before, but attitude, emptying your mindset, how you will come across failures, and also the people where we are looking for, the mentors or the leaders, where we see them as someone where they have earned a lot of money and they have all the possible things in the world, but what they have gone through and what are the things which was very easily or very nicely depicted on the slide as an iceberg, where 10% the success where we can see and we are so overjoyed, but the 90% which is below the sea level, that's what they have overcome. And that's what each of us need to remember every time when we talk to someone, or when we come across rejections, or we come across some failures, or we get demotivated, or all these obstacles that we will come across when we are building this business, the hurdles that we have to overcome, we need to keep that in mind. And that will help us to move ahead and also reach our goals and reach the success. It was very, very beautiful. I've written each and every point because I did not want to miss. Failures is an opportunity to grow. So every mistakes has, when we are small, we always say that every mistakes that we do not have to do it again, because that's the thing, a learning part for us to overcome it. So we will come across failures, and without failures, we will never achieve success. I don't think anyone in this world have achieved success without failing. So every time you fail is a step towards reaching your goal or reaching your success, or you're reaching your destiny. This is what we need to keep in mind. And the best thing in all this overall is the attitude. If you have good attitude to speak to your people, your team, your mentors, you will automatically be seen, be recognized, and you will grow in everything that you do. Having a good heart with a good attitude will reach you to wherever you want. Maybe sometimes you'll be slow, but you'll still reach your goal. So that's what we all need to keep in mind. Thank you very much once again. I think I've covered up most of them in a short few lines. Thank you very much, Anand. We will be looking